Hello everyone, this is Khaja S of Computer Science Department. My technical seminar topic is about Bluejack. Bluejack is sending of unwanted images or messages over Bluetooth to Bluetooth enabled devices. These are the contents, and my next slide is about introduction. Bluejacking. Bluejacking is the sending of unsolicited messages or Bluetooth to Bluetooth enabled devices such as mobile phones or laptop computers, sending a vCard which typically contains a message in the name field to Bluetooth enabled device via the OBEX protocol, that is for Bluetoothing or BlueChat. Bluetooth has a very limited range, usually around 10 meters on mobile phones, but laptops can reach up to 100 meters with powerful transmitters. Origin, that is, history of bluejacking. Bluejacking was reportedly first carried out between 2001 and 2003 by a Malaysian IT consultant who used his phone to advertise Ericsson to a single Nokia 7650 phone owner in a Malaysian bank. He also invented the name, which he claims is an amalgam of Bluetooth and Ajak. His username on Isato, a Sony Ericsson fan online forum. Jacking is, however, an extremely common shortening of hijack. The act of taking was something. Ajax's original posts are hard to find, but references to the exploit are common in 2003 post. Bluejacking technology, Bluetooth technology, vCard, OVX protocol. Bluetooth technology, short range wireless LAN, connects numerous devices of different functions like telephones, notebooks, computers, digital cameras, etc. in personal area network. Three areas are data and voice access points, cable replacement, and ad hoc networking. Supports point to point as well as multi point, low power, low cost single chip radio feasible. vCard. vCard, also known as VCF, that is Virtual Contact File. vCard is a file format standard for electronic business cards. vCards are often attached to email messages but can be exchanged in other ways, such as multimedia messaging services on the World Wide Web, instant messaging, or through QR code. OVEX. Abbreviation of OVEX is Object Exchange. Object Exchange is a protocol for the wireless exchange of data between devices. OVEX has been built into various different kinds of hardware, starting with PDA devices. OVEX can be useful in Bluetooth designs and other types of wireless connectivity. In terms of its function, OBEX uses a Bluetooth binary for data sending. It also has more rigid transaction parameters than other protocols like Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is extensively used for internet data transfer. The Bluetooth Developer Portal describes object exchange as the process that helps device to exchange a wider spectrum of data in a resource sensitive, standardized fashion. OBEX also uses the traditional client server model, in which the requesting device is considered the client device. This facilitates, for example, the exchanging of digital business cards and other resources between devices. How to Bluejack? To Bluejack, we require mobile, personal computers, and software tools. Blue spam. Search for all discoverable Bluetooth devices and send a file to them that is spams them if they support OBEX. By default, a small text will be sent. Customize the message that should be sent. You need a palm with an SD or MMC card. Then you create the directory or programs or send and put the file you would like to in into this directory. Activity is logged to our programs or log or log.txt. Mobile Meeting Point is compatible with Pocket PC, Palm Windows, Proximity Mail, EasyJack, FreeJack. FreeJack is compatible to Java phone like Nokia N series, and Meeting Point is compatible with Pocket PC and Windows. Usage of bluejacking. Bluejacking is usually harmless, but because bluejacked people generally don't know what has happened, they may think that their phone is malfunctioning. Usually, a bluejacker will send only a text message, but with modern phones, It's possible to send images or sounds as well. Bluejacking has been used in guerrilla marketing campaigns to promote advert games. Bluejacking is also confused with blue knifing, which is the way in which mobile phones are illegally hacked via Bluetooth. Here are few places where hacking can be done: busy shopping centers, Starbucks, train station, high street, on a train, cinema, bus, cafe, mobile phone shop, restaurants, pub, electronic shops, etc. Code of ethics. Here are some principles of bluejacking. Do not hack any device. Don't send abuse messages. Don't threaten anyone. Don't put your personal information in a bluejack message. Don't reveal yourself to the victim. Do disable Bluetooth if you don't want to be bluejacked. Do not hack any device. Conclusion. Here we conclude that because of its low cost and low power consumption, this technology has a great future ahead. These are the references. Thank you.